Ladies and gentlemen, the best bank in Kenya 2013. Put your hands together for Equity Bank. 2013, Equity Bank.
For the second consecutive year, Equity Bank has been named the best bank in Kenya 2013. Equity was the overall winner among the 43 banks surveyed by the Think Business for the Banking Awards.
During the process, while maintaining a level of independence, our main focus has been to protect the integrity of the outcome of the judging by ensuring that there is transparency and objectivity throughout the process, by helping the judges eliminate any ambiguity in analysis of information. These awards, ladies and gentlemen, have been won on a combination of merits as outlined in the award criteria, which proved valuable guidance and measurability in the judging.
The annual Banking Awards seeks to encourage prudence and stability in the banking sector by recognizing, awarding and celebrating exemplary performers and successes of the sector.
If you look at the growth in assets across the banking sector, you realize that Tier 1 banks are still growing fast, but look at Tier 3. Tier 3 banks, the banks with between 15 and 50 billion shillings, actually giving them a run for their money. There are some banks in Tier 3, over the last 5 or so years, they are almost tripled their asset base. And I'm sure that as we talk now, one of them is already in Tier 2, if not 3 of them are already in Tier 2, because as at the end of last year, they had more than 48 billion shillings in total assets.
During the awards gala, Equity Bank also bagged the best bank in Kenya, Tier 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the best bank in Kenya, Tier 1, Equity Bank.
I don't care what you do, as long as you get to the groove. So with my guitar, my drums and my piano, I'm loving this music. It's music, heals your body, heals your soul.
This is the category of the big banks whose asset base exceeds 150 billion shillings. The bank's focus on customer service and competitive price offering was recognized with the newly introduced Bank with the Lowest Charges Award.
The bank with the lowest charges, Equity Bank. Tafadhali wapigieni makofi, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, Equity Bank, the best bank with the lowest charges. The Banking Awards 2013.
Equity Bank's exemplary showing at the 8th edition of the Banking Awards reflects a study model anchored on customer service and innovation.
It is only by going beyond our customers that we'll be able to challenge those paradigms that are currently leaving us and leaving you fighting for the same customers amongst yourselves. The winners in any industry will not be those who innovate more than their competitors, but rather those who listen, who understand, and who care about the society they serve.
Even their winning as the best bank in Kenya is a reflection of one of the products that they did launch, Beba Pay, an electronic payment system for matatus, very, very innovative. And I must say, and I would like to urge that even as innovative as banks are, I think we must continue innovating towards ensuring that Kenya becomes a cashless society, because the more cashless we are, the more productivity we get. It is envisaged by the time Kenya is completely digitized in terms of money management, our GDP will grow by an extra 1.8%. I want to thank you, and I want to thank you very much for this evening, and may God bless you, and may you continue with the good work.